Low pressure bringing a lot of moisture into our area right here, wave after wave, and the next peak is today into tomorrow. And the biggest swath for our location is going to range from the Stanley Basin, southern central mountains, staying up north, northern portion of the Snake River Plain, Island Park area, Yellowstone, and then down through portions of the eastern highlands, Teton Range as well. So these are the areas that have the winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, snowfall accumulation, heaviest coverage and intensity will occur in these locations. These two warnings expire tomorrow for the first half of the day. So in effect for today, first half of tomorrow, and expiring tomorrow at 11 a.m. 4 to 9 inches for the central mountains, upper portion of Snake River Plain, touching the Centennials up here, and a winter storm warning outside of the pink shaded area. These locations will get 4 to 6 inches of snow, and of course, if you're up higher, snow level is going to hang around 6,500 feet, maybe 7,000 feet, and it will lower about 500 feet for the overnight hours. If you are wondering if you were going to receive solid precipitation or not, that is the height at which above you will receive solid. Avalanche warning can be triggered both artificially and naturally due to more snowfall falling on weak snowpack. It's not stabilized. They can run long distances over flat terrain, so be very cautious around potential slopes that can have an avalanche be triggered. Winds today, they will gust up to 20 to 25 miles per hour for the shaded areas, especially when we're touching into the yellow and the green shaded areas. We're going to touch 20 to 25 mile per hour gust, but winds will be very strong. Another addition to the recipe of what can trigger an avalanche. Today for the Snake River Plain, we'll have a couple more days of being in the 40s, so a lot of melting and a lot of rain to linger in the forecast for the next couple of days, especially for the lower portion of the Snake River Plain. These are going to be your snowfall amounts for the day-to-day. Central Mountains, today 30s, touching 40 for one location. Southeast Highlands, we're touching in the 40s, upper 30s. And for the Eastern Highlands today, we're touching 30s and 40s as well. And again, these are going to be your snowfall amounts for the end of the day. Another round of freezing rain for the Central Mountains for that overnight and morning commute threatening. Be very careful driving. Southeast Highlands, a dusting of snow and perhaps 1 to 2 inches for the Bear River Range. Eastern Highlands, 6 to 8 inches for the Tetons and 4 to 6 inches for the Island Park area. And again, this low pressure bringing waves of moisture into our area over the next few days. Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Pocatello high of 46 degrees today. We'll just have a few more days. As we trend colder, we will get to more solid precipitation, and then for a very cold weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Very cold. Not too much coming out of the clouds for the weekend, but cold. The coldest temperatures will be Saturday and Sunday. Central Mountains also on Friday. Back to you, Dan.